How's it going, everybody? It's a beautiful day here in California. Today we're staying at Great Wolf Lodge, and we're taking a room tour now of our kid cabin suite on the 5th floor, room 5231. So let's go check it out. Made it up to the 5th floor. Here we are at room 5231. You get to tap my little band right here, and let's head in. Starting off to the left, we're going to enter. You hear light switch right here, and then we're going to go straight into the bathroom. Standard toilet up here where your towels are located, extra toilet paper and your blow dryer, and then very cool shower curtain with the paw on it, and then provided what is that, body bar, plenty of space. It is a tub. Behind the door where we entered is the closet space. No door. Up above is storage space, and you can see there is a laundry bag and a do not disturb sign. From the closet space, underneath the vanity here, we have a recycle and a trash can, a big mirror with the paw up there. How you guys doing? Some tissues, some outlets, more soap. So you can see you got body lotion and shampoo, and a cleansing facial bar. And what's that but the best part of the room? It is the kid cabin. As you can see, the exterior here looks really good from the outside. As we go in, you can see there's a bed to the right and a bunk bed set up to the left. The mattress that's pretty firm right there. You can see there's some characters on the wall. There's some fireflies, and then of course they're having a campfire here and they're roasting marshmallows. Behind this little table is outlet right there. Table does move and opens up into storage. That's pretty much it for the kid cabin section. Now we're going to move out towards the main area. As you can see, we have a coffee maker, assorted dark roast and dark roast coffees there. Plenty of storage here. A mini fridge. Plenty of room in there. Underneath here you have your spare blanket and pillow. A huge counter space for all your different snacks and desserts or whatever you bring with you. Next is going to be the TV. As you can see, pretty decent sized TV. It does move, so depending on where you're sitting in the room, you can adjust it. Below that is a bench seat. To the left of that is a very blank wall and then we have 2 chairs and a table with a lantern chandelier thing here. Has a lot of cool wolves and moose. Looks really good, and then the light switch for that's right there. From the table, we turn over to where the bed is located. As you can see, we have the temperature control right here. Below that is the additional outlets in the room. We have 2 lights on both sides of the bed, 3 pillows, and about a medium firmness for the bed here. To the right of that, we have a little nightstand. You can see we have 2 outlets and 2 USB charging points, the remote to the TV, the call phone, and then there's 2 more outlets with 2 more USB charging right here on, I believe that's the alarm clock. Yep. From the table to the right of it, we have the couch, and that is a very firm couch there, and it also pulls out into a bed. As you can see, it's a pretty thin mattress there. It's I'd say it's pretty firm for being such a thin mattress, and of course on a metal frame. Right above the couch, you have this really nice piece of art, and then as we back up, we have a trunk. It does not open. I already tried. Those latches are for decoration. It doesn't open up, but it looks really nice. Next thing is our view out the window. We have Highway 120 here, going from east to west, and then I-5 right over there. So give you guys a reference of where we are. There's parking right below. Elevators are about halfway through the building though, from where this room is located. To give you a reference of where we are in the building, here's the evacuation plan. We are located right here. The stairs to evacuate are right here, but the elevators are down here all the way up here. So we're about end of the building right there. But that's pretty much it for the room tour here. As you can see, it's a very nice room. The decorations and the living space is very cool. The kids are gonna love it. If you guys have any questions and I wasn't able to answer something, leave them in the comments down below. and I'll try to answer them the best I can. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit that like button. Lets me know you enjoyed it. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do, and we got more room tours and places to go in the near future. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.